Hello and welcome to softexpert. If you are a web designer or developer, you must have used icon boxes. A box having an icon, title and description that we can use for multi-purposes like to display our services, features, testimonials, or even as a part of call to action. Being an important element in websites, we cannot ignore its importance, but at the same time, we just use the basic style which isn't that much attractive. And that is why today I'll show you how we can have stunning icon boxes using free Elementor. I'll be showing you two methods, so let's just get started. Now here I have opened a page using free Elementor, and if I search for icon box and I drag it to the widget area, I will get something similar to it. Okay, let's remove it because we already have it. Now this is the default look that you will get, that you can further customize as I have done this. So here we have changed the icon color, then we have give it another font family, and we have a border. And this is the same icon box which I have modified a little bit more. So I have removed the border, I have added border radius, then I have changed the background and also the colors. I also have added some light shadow over here. Okay, so that's all that we can do with these icon boxes. Now you can learn more about it on my channel, that how we can customize them, but to show you quickly, I'll just add an icon box and we'll show you how we can customize it. Okay, so this is an icon box. I'll just drag it. Now the first thing is, if you want to make changes to the content, like to change the icon, the heading and text, you can do it right here. This is very simple. Just click here and then choose another icon. So let's search for user, and for example I'll use this one, and this is how you can change the icon. Now if you want to make changes to the colors, just go to style tab, where you can change the box alignment like this, top, right, and then you can change the alignment to the right side, center, right, or justified. Then you can change the icon spacing like this, and also the content spacing. Now to change the icon color, go to icon, and here you can have another color, something like this. Then you can change the icon size and rotate icon. Then go to content to change the title color. Let's give it pure black or something. This is the description color. So it's all up to you. Okay, and then I have added border and also this background. So for that you can go to advanced tab, where we can add spacing. So let's make it 30. You will notice some spacing. Okay, and then scroll down, go to background. Here you can change its background. Okay, you can give it any color. Let's give it white color. And now you can go to border. If you want to give it border, just change this to solid and change the width and the border color. I am using random colors just to show you. Okay, then again, if you want to give it border radius, go back to border, change this value to 20, let's say. Now you can notice these rounded corners. So in this way you can use the icon box that is available in Elementor, and you can customize it based on your need. Now as I mentioned, I will be showing you two methods, and the second one is more easy than this one. So let me show you. We can also have content boxes or icon boxes like these, where we have a title, description, and these hover effects. And this is another style with hover effects, gradient background, and you can also notice these animated icons. We can also have something like this. This is another style, so more attractive look than the default Elementor icon box. This is another style, and another one. Here you have noticed the incoming animations as well, and these icon boxes, and so on. So if you want to have something like these, then I'll show you how you can achieve these. Okay, you can notice the hover effects. These are effects. Okay, we have these badges and also the learn more button. This is another style, and so on. And this is for the dark background, and so on and so forth. I provide a link to it where you can check all these demos, and you can have them on your website very easily. Now to get these icon boxes and to use them, we will need to install a free plugin which is called Sina extension. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. I'll also provide a link to it in the description. Okay, and we'll go to plugins, add new, and here we will search for Sina extensions, and you will see this plugin, Sina extension for Elementor, slider, gallery form, model, data table, tab, pretest, free Elementor widgets, and so on. You can click on view details and you can see 40 free elements and so on. You can visit all the demos from here, okay? And besides the icon boxes, there are lots of elements available that you can use. Let's close it. Let's install and activate this plugin. And once you activate this plugin, it will take you to its dashboard where you can add these API keys if you want to use Google Map, MailChimp, and so on. But this is not a part of this video, so we'll go to widgets. And these are the basic widgets available. These are advanced widgets. These are pro widgets. And here just make sure you have enabled content box, okay? That you see over here. Then you can go to extenders. And these are some extenders that are available in premium, okay? Now coming back to widgets. This is already enabled. So let's save our changes. Now let's see how we can use this plugin. I'll use that same page, okay? Which is this one. Let's publish it and I'll just refresh it. Let's scroll down and here we will search for content box. You can also use their content slider or Sina model box, okay? Let's drag it over here and we got the first look, okay, that I showed you in the demo. Now you can customize this based on your need. Okay, let's create another structure of 2 columns. And I'll bring it over here. Now we can further customize it, okay? So if you want to link this whole box, you can enable this option, linkable entire box. And then use a save template if you want to use it. Then you can give it a ribbon that I showed you in the demo, okay? This is a ribbon, okay? So we will call it popular or something. You can notice the ribbon over here. This is the title that you can change. This is the description and then you can give it a link, okay? Then you can go to button. You can enable a button here. So I'll call this read more. You can also add an icon to this button. Let's try using this one. Okay. And then you can go to style and then you can change the styling of the box, title, description, the background, hover, content, ribbon, and button, okay? So all these things will be dependent on you that how you want it. I'll just go through quickly. If you want to change the animations, you can change it over here, okay? Then you can change the background color like this, okay? And then on hover, you can have different background, border color, and box shadow, okay? Now you can see on hover it will be white. This is for icon or image. We don't have one. So let's go back and we will use an icon like this, okay? Then go back to style and you can change the icon color. Then this is the title and description color and all these things are very simple, okay? Then this is the hover style. So we can have slide to top like this, okay? And you can then change its color. You can have a solid color like this or you can use gradient, okay? And then we have icon and image style where you can change the icon size, line height, width, height, and so on. Then for the content, you can change the typography, the text shadow, the margin, and also for the description. This is for the ribbon if you want to change its style and colors. Lastly, we have button where you can customize this button, okay? So all these things will be dependent on you that how you want it. You can get ideas from these. And now let me show you what you are waiting for, okay? If you want to get these icon boxes ready-made that you can further customize, let me show you how you can get them. So for that, we'll need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. And here in that same plugin, just scroll down and enable this thing, Sina templates. And then save changes. And then go back to Elementor, refresh this page. And if you scroll down, you will get another option here, which is to add their templates. Just click on it. And here you will find number of blocks that you can use. Some of these are free, some are pro. And if you search for box here, you will find those content boxes over here. Okay, for example, this one, this is in pro version, this is also pro, and this one is free, this is also free, and this is also free. So let's try using this one. We'll just insert it, and there we go. We got those boxes along with its entrance animation, the animated icons, the gradient colors, those fonts and styles. Now you can edit any of them, and now you can change the icon, the title, description. You can link them to specific page or something, and so on. So this was very simple, no? So this is how you can have creative and stunning icon boxes or content boxes on your Elementor website absolutely for free. Now do me a favor, just visit my channel, learn more about WordPress and Elementor, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.